After enough time, you stop seeing people and only notice the movement.
Morning comes quietly, but no one here wakes up rested anymore.
We eat what we have, not what we need, and no one complains.
The horses feel it first, long before any of us understand why.
You learn quickly here. Even small things don't belong to you.
You hear it more now. Breathing, not words. Filling the space between us.
The sound changes. Metal now. Sharper than anything we said before. You hold the weapon tighter now, not because you're ready, but because you're not. Orders come through, but they don't land the same on everyone.
It doesn't begin all at once, just a few steps, then more follow.
When we move closer, it's not unity, it's just less space between us.
It's not the distance that breaks you. It'll what you carry getting there.
We're still moving forward, just not together anymore. At some point, you realize no one is keeping pace with you anymore. The line doesn't stop, it just keeps moving past whoever falls out of it.
The line ahead doesn't break, it just keeps extending beyond what you can see. The ground doesn't hold you the same anymore. It starts pushing back.
It doesn't take much. Just one thing out of place, and everything feels it.
You don't say anything, but you feel it building between everyone. It slips out sometimes. Not loud. Just enough to break the silence.
It gives eventually, but not without taking something out of you first. We move again, but it doesn't feel like before.
After a while, you stop knowing how long you've been moving. Your body starts speaking first, before you even realize something's wrong.
The further you go, the less it feels like you're getting anywhere. You stop feeling the ground, until every step starts hurting anyway. Your mouth dries out first, then everything else starts following. After a while, you're not sure if what you see is still in front of you.
You hear something, but by the time it reaches you, it's already different.
It builds slowly, until everything feels like it's about to give.
You almost stop, but the movement around you doesn't let you.
You keep moving, but it no longer feels like you're the one doing it. Something changes, but it takes too long before anyone notices. You feel it before you hear it. Something moving far beyond sight.
You hear it now, but it blends in, like it's always been there.
Some steps start matching it before anyone realizes they've changed. It spreads quietly, not as a command,
but as something people fall into.
You stop hearing your own steps. Something else takes their place.
Some start treating it like a signal, even though no one gave the order.
You can feel it coming, even when there's nothing to see yet.
You think you see something, but it never stays long enough to be sure.
Some see movement, others see nothing at all.
A few adjust first, and suddenly the space around them changes.
It spreads faster now, not as a choice, but as a reaction to what's already shifting. It's all there at once now. Sound, movement, and something you can't quite separate. It starts leaning one way, like everything is coming from there.
You start preparing without knowing for what, just in case it's real.
It happens once, too fast to understand what it was.
It comes again. This time you know which side it's from.
It's not just one anymore. It's happening in more than one place at once. Then one hits harder, enough to break the movement around it. Now you react, not because you understand, but because you have to.
You meet something close enough to react, but not long enough to understand.
It doesn't stop now. It keeps happening over and over without warning.
A few stop moving forward and start holding where they stand.
It's not just one place anymore. They start forming wherever the pressure hits.
One of them gives way, and suddenly there's space where there shouldn't be.
It pours through the opening, faster than anything can close it.
It doesn't hold anywhere. Not just one place, but all at once. There's no line anymore, just you, and whatever reaches you next. There's no forward now, just movement in every direction at once. It's right in front of you now, too close to see it clearly. I got no fighting and moving anymore.
We're all the same thing now.
For a moment, everything slows, even though nothing actually does.
Then it hits you all at once, faster than before.
You're still moving fast, but it's getting harder to keep up with it.
Some can't keep up anymore, even as everything around them keeps moving.
For a second, it feels like you're no longer part of it.
And then, without warning, it's back. It keeps going, but not with the same force as before.
The noise starts to fall away, piece by piece.
It doesn't end all at once, it just stops happening.
And then, there's nothing left to follow.